Welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in .NET and Sitecore. I'm your host Jitendra Ghanekar. I'm in Sitecore Technology MVP 2024. This is the video from the series Sitecore SXA, and today we are going to see a topic: rendering variants in SXA. So what we are going to see in this video, we will see what are renderings, then we will see what are rendering variants. We will see an example of a promo component. We will see how we can create a rendering variant, how we can create the rendering sections, and then design your variant. I will stop here for a few seconds. If you like the videos which we are doing on this SXA series, then please click the like button up and upload this video. Let the YouTube know that you are liking this video, and also share this video series with your friends and colleagues who want to understand what is SXA. And if you are new to the channel and not yet subscribed to the channel, so click on a subscribe button and that notification bell also to get a latest update. Okay, I'm moving ahead in this video. So first thing is, what are renderings? In the context of Sitecore SXA, a rendering refers to a reusable component or module that display content or functionality on a web page. Renderings are nothing but a reusable component which you can use on the multiple pages. It can be component, it can be module, or it can be any functionality on the web page. Sitecore provides a variety of pre-built renderings out of the box which users can customize and extend according to their specific requirements. So Sitecore SXA provides the pre-built renderings which we have seen in the last video also. To design a page, there is already a pre-built renderings are available which you can utilize to design your page. Okay, so those are the pre-built renderings which you can extend as per your requirement. Renderings in SXA are typically added to pages using drag and drop functionality within the experience editor, making it easy for content editors and marketers to build and modify pages without relying on the developers. So the marketers and the content page designers or content editors can build their own page by using those renderings, and they can use the drag and drop functionality, and they can design complete page without help of the developers in the experience editor. Example of a common renderings in SXA includes text renderings, image renderings, navigation renderings, and search renderings. There are many out of box renderings available in the Sitecore SXA. What are rendering variants? A rendering variant is a mechanism in Sitecore SXA that allows user to control the presentation and display of a content within a rendering. It provides a flexibility in how content is rendered, allowing for a different style, layouts, and behaviors without needing to create a separate renderings for each variation. So when you create the Sitecore page and use any out-of-box functionality, okay, let's take an example like as a promo. So a promo, if you see, you have an image and then you have a text and then there is a link. Okay, that kind of a structure is there. So what does rendering variant do? It allows you to display that component in a different styles. Okay, you can have a different style, you can represent that content different way, you can have additional data in that rendering. Okay, your rendering can behave differently depending on the different scenarios. Okay, so those kind of variants of your existing website component. So basically you are using a one component only, but depending on the situation you are changing the version of that rendering. So that version contains, every version will contain the different way it is getting displayed. Like it can have a different style. So somewhere you have a red button, somewhere we'll have a box of the complete component. So something that kind of things will be there. This behavior might be different also. So these are called as a rendering. You do not have to create a new component. Okay, if you are using these rendering variants, it's the same what is it, it's your content, data structure, everything is the same behind. Then you just have to make the variant of that component. There is no need to create a new component. With rendering variants, user can define a different templates for rendering content item, including how fields are rendered, the HTML structure, the CSS classes, and even a JavaScript interactions. So all those things you can change in the variant. Rendering variants are particularly useful for creating a personalized and adaptive experiences, as they enable content to be tailored based on the different criteria such as user segment, device type, or user interactions. Okay, so rendering variants are particularly useful for creating the personalized and the adaptive experience. So basically it is used more in the personalized and the adaptive experience. So it can be different way your data is getting displayed. So these rendering variants are more useful when you are doing some personalization. Okay, so it will be helpful to do those personalization. So depending on your personalization tool, you can have a different variant rendered on the page. So let's take an example. So if you create any promo component, okay, you will have this kind of a structure where you will have an image here. Okay, then you have a title and the link where you want to redirect that promo. So now if I want to do something this, where I want to reduce the size of the image, and I want to make the SXA, the title as a headline H1, and I want to add the description, and the link will remain as it is. So this is the another version or a variant of a promo component. So in maybe some situation you would like to display this kind of a rendering, and some pages you want to have the default renderings. Okay, so this is what the example of a rendering variant. Now how to create the rendering variants? So let's your website, your SXA website, in the presentation text section, if you go there, there is something called a radiant rendering variant section, which contains all the out of box renderings which can have the rendering variant. So all those contains there. So there itself you can create the different variants of your renderings. Okay, so like if I want to do it for a promo, I have to go to the presentation, then rendering variant. Inside a rendering variant, I need to find out where is the promo. Now how to create it? So if you see the promo, it will by default it will have a default rendering. It will define your rendering structure, that how you want to display it. So default it have a promo icon, it has a promo text, promo body, and promo link. Okay, if you want to add a new variant of the promo, then you have to right click and insert where you have a variant definition. So you can go and create a variant definitions. So what are the things which you can add in the rendering sections? Field used as link target. Provide the field name of the target item. So in this field you can provide the field name of the target item. This class is added to the list and navigation item markups, that is li and HTML element. This link is used to override all links when the is link, is prefix links, or is suffix link checkboxes are selected. Now those checkboxes are also available in the rendering section. Then you have allowed in templates. It specifies the pages that the variant is available for. Click the relevant page template, click the right arrow to the move to the list of a selected item, and then click save. If there are no templates selected, the variant available for all pages. So allowed in templates specifies that on which page template you should you can use the variant. Okay, so you can select the pages like you want to use for the home template, article template, so article pages. So those kind of templates you can select, and this variant which will be available only for that template or pages. Compatible renderings makes rendering variant available for other renderings. For example, if for a page content rendering variant, in the compatible rendering fields you specify title, you can use the rendering variant for the title rendering as well. So you have a component which for which you created the variant. Okay, so that same variant can be used for another component also, so that component you can add as a compatible renderings, okay, in the rendering section. So here example which is given, like you have a page content rendering variant. Okay, you have created a variant for a page content rendering. Okay, but you want that variant should be available for title rendering also. So in that case you can add title as a compatible rendering for that page content rendering variant. CSS class specifies a class to render into the rendering content element. So basically you can apply the CSS class here. Thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail is available in the appearance sections. Okay, so you can use the thumbnail to provide the variant. So if you provide a different thumbnail, so it will be easy for a content editor to understand how that variant is working. Okay, if you are not provided the thumbnail, then it will take the name of the variant only, or item name of the variant basically. Okay, so these are the things which you can add in the rendering sections. So let's see how you can design your variant. So once you add the variant, so variant definition, if you add and you right click it, insert, you can fill so many things in that. Okay, you can add as a child item, all those things. So let me give an example how your rendering is getting designed. So if you see here this variant one, this is my rendering, a new variant rendering. Okay, so in that I have added a field that is name is a promo icon. So how it should render, there is a tag here. Okay, so this promo icon should render within the div. It should render the field promo icon, the field name. Okay, and there are many other things which we can see in the demo. Okay, so the way you are defining, right, promo text, within that after promo icon, so after this div you will have a promo text, and within that promo text also I will have many other things. Okay, then at the end I have a promo link, promo link, which is nothing but your link, clickable link. So this is how you design your variant. We will see all those things in the next video in the demo. Okay, so in next video we will create a rendering variant for a promo. The example which I am showing you, we will create that. Okay, I will give you a demo of that. All right, for this video we are stopping here. So if you like the video, please do click on a like button and upvote the video. Do share this video with your friends and colleagues who want to understand the SXA. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click on a bell icon to get a latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.